Welcome to MathsMate, the best maths tutorial in town.
An education for a nation.
A cool type of school.
Sponsored by Tech Talk and Rhetorical Shift.
Hello and welcome back to MathsMate.
MathsMate.
Badly timed,
Yeah,
Will.
that was really bad.
Alright, let's do it again.
Sorry. Hello
And
welcome back to MathsMate.
Featuring Mr. Cool Cop 200.
Yeah, I'm here, guys.
Go on, do your intro then.
It's
Will.
nice. My intro. Yo, guys, it's Mr. Cool Cop 200 here. Back for another video on MathsMates.
And it's me, Shababes. Yeah, that's it. Today we'll be doing another maths tutorial on algebraic fractions. So I will be testing Will today.
Oh, I don't want to be
Will.
tested.
Why not?
Why do you have to be? I just don't want to be tested.
Well, too bad. I'll have to test you. So let's move on. So, what is an algebraic fraction? An algebraic fraction is where you have a multiple and you have a letter, which is divided by an integer. This could, this is also added by another integer and multiple, and you have stuff like that. And it gets a bit harder, but we'll start off easy, and then probably a couple tutorials later we'll do a more advanced algebraic fraction one. So we're going to start off with adding algebraic fractions. The first thing that we do is find the lowest common multiple. So, Mr. Cool Cop 200, would you like to...
12.
Yeah, okay, yeah, there you go. It's 12. So, what do you need to do from 4 to get to 12?
Times by 3.
2 times. So let's write this out again. So you got 4m plus 1 over 4 plus 1 minus 3m over 3. Now you times that by 3. And whatever you do to the top, you do whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. And you times that by 3. And what you do with 3 to get to 12, Will?
Times by 4.
Yep. And you do exactly the same process. Now let's make that look a bit neater. So we've got 4m times 3 is 12m. And 3 times 1 is plus 3. All over 12. Plus 4 times 1, which is 4. And 4 times minus 3, which is... 3m, sorry. Which is minus 12m. Which is all over 12. And now, we can put that together. So now we've got 12m plus 3 plus 4 minus 12m all over 12. Now we can get rid of 12m because 12m minus 12m is 0. Just cross those out. 3 add 4 is, yes, it's 7 over 12. And that is your answer for this question. That will probably be a 3 mark, possibly even 2 marks in the exam. So now we've got the next question. 4m minus 1 plus 4 over 4, sorry, plus 5 minus 6m all over 6. Now, what do we need to do? What's the lowest common multiple here, Mr. Cool Cop?
The lowest common multiple is 12 again?
Yes, it's 12.
Yes,
Good.
12.
So what do you need from 4 to make to get to 12?
Times it by 3.
And what about with 6?
Times by 2.
Very good. Now what will we do to the...
Times by 2.
that was very unintentional. So what do we need to do at the bottom, Will? What do we need to do to the top?
Times it by 3.
Good.
And then times it by 2.
Good. So now what's 3 times 4m? Will?
Oh, you asking me?
Yeah, of course.
3 times 4m is 12m.
Good. Now what's 3 times minus 1?
Is minus 3.
Very good. Which is all over 12. I'm not patronising you, by the way. It's,
Better not be.
No. What's 2 times 5? Well, we know that's 10.
Yeah.
And what's 2 times minus 6m?
It's 12m.
Minus 12m.
Minus 12m.
Make sure you don't get confused with that. 6 times 2 is 12. Now now that we have lowest common multiple, we can just stick that all under one bracket. Well, under one line. So we've got 12m minus 3 plus 10 minus 12m. Now 12m, take away 12m, 0. 10 minus 3 is actually 7 over 12. again, which was our previous answer.
Exactly the same. Would you fancy that?
Oh well, yeah, that's a bit interesting.
That's strange.
Yeah, that's strange, but anyway, that's to do adding. That's to do with adding. Now we'll move on to negative. Just ignore that. That's adding. We don't want to do that. It's this one that we're interested in. Negative is for some reason I find that taking away is a lot harder than adding. What do you think? Well,
Yeah, I mean, I just do it. It's just how it works, I'm afraid. You gotta do it.
if you want to get that A
Both
star,
rubbish, but, you know.
if you want to get that A star, you have to master.
Yep.
With the motto adapt or die.
Adapt or die.
Yeah. If you've seen the film Hannah, that's pretty good. Adapt or
Yeah.
die.
Adapt or die.
Adapt or die. So, another common. Oh, okay, great. What's the common multiple here, Will?
That's a tricky one, that one. Oh, I'm really struggling. Is it 12?
Is it?
I don't know.
You sure?
Of
course it is.
You know, there's...
Is that still difficult?
Yeah.
So.
Still a tricky one.
So, as we were just going to talk through the same process again, you know, finding the common.
Can I just say the answer's 7/12? I'm just guessing.
Do you have your bet on that again?
I bet 10 quid. It's 7/12.
Okay, I'm not betting anything because it's you know, it's against my religion. But anyway, we whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top again with both sides. So what's 4 times 3m, Will?
I think it's 12n. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
And what's 4 times 1?
4 times 1
Yeah.
is again a hard one.
It's 4.
Is it
Come on.
4?
Yes.
Yeah, I've got it right.
Good. So
I'm good at this.
take away. What's 3 times 4m?
4 12n. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
And what's 3 times -1?
-3.
-3. Good.
Yeah.
Now what's 4 times 3? Well, we know that's 12. So now we can collect like terms. So 12m add 4 minus 12m minus 3 all over 12. Now we want to expand the bracket here. So we've got 12m add 4. Alright, so now we need to times negative by 12m and times the negative by -3. So minus times 12m is minus 12m, and negative times -3 is a positive 3. And, Will, you're right, again.
Yes.
That equals 7,
10
and,
quid.
and
Please.
7 over 12. Wow,
Would
7
you
over...
fancy that?
I
I
actually...
think we need to find new sources, you know.
I think we do, because, wow, these are specific sources, and we thought they were different.
Yeah.
Wow.
We obviously need to check our sources
Wow.
before we use them. So we're sorry about that. I mean, I assume actually the one below it, I'd like you lot to work it out.
Yeah,
Type the correct answer in the comments, and you could be in with a chance of winning £10,000.
or a ruler.
Yeah, you can win a ruler
Oh, that's better.
or a mathsmate T-shirt
Yeah, we
if
should.
you're lucky.
Yeah, if you're lucky.
I have got one.
Really?
I'm not lying.
Oh yeah, of course.
No, I do. I'm not lying.
All right then. See you then.
See you later, mathsmate.
Bye. God,
What was that?
I don't know.